2 ingredients, vegan creamsicle sorbetto. Mandarin oranges. So easy to peel, you don't even need a knife. But don't throw that peel away. Prized for their sweetness and perfect in this dish because they're seedless. We're not using coconut milk, we're using coconut cream. That 20 grams of fat is going to make this creamy. That's getting infused with a vanilla bean, seeds removed, and Kaffir lime leaves. If you can get fresh, even better. Once you're confident you've got all that vanilla flavor extracted, you're good. That cream needs to chill out and your mandarins need to go in the freezer and get solid. Once your fruit's frozen solid, like that, it's ready for the food processor. Just your fruit, nothing else. Start by pulsing. Now you can let it go. Scrape down the sides for one more pass. And as is, you got sorbet. But we're not done. We still got that coconut cream. That's gonna be like a creamsicle dream. For the best texture, into a container and into your freezer for at least an hour. A scoop of that and a sprig of mint, and you're good.
It looks like ice cream. It feels like ice cream. That's f***ing amazing.
It's creamy.
It's light, it's full of flavor, it's not overly sweet.
Very light.
That is amazing. That's like natural creamsicle.
Fresh mandarins and coconut milk, this is perfect for summertime.
Creamsicle without the bullshit.